Got a work trip coming up? Let's get your hotel sorted. Follow these simple steps. Log in to mybiz.makemytrip.com or open the Make My Trip app and switch to myBiz. Tap the hotel's icon, search for a city, hotel or locality, set your check-in and check-out dates, room details and hit search. From the results, you'll notice some hotels are marked out of policy. That's because your company's travel policies are auto-applied to myBiz. Take a pic from multiple hotels. Found a hotel you like? Great! Now proceed to select room type and continue. Double-check all your details and continue. Select your reason to travel and send an approval request to your manager. Once your manager approves the request, the notification lands on your email, WhatsApp and SMS all at once. Complete your booking by making the payment from your company wallet. You can also track and access your trip details anytime in the My Trips section. Wasn't that easy? Now start packing. myBiz by Make My Trip, India's #1 business travel and expense platform.